Howdy. Today I've got a package from Whatnot. Should all be Star Wars figs, so let's open it up. And you might already recognize what's inside, but let's just get everything out. So right away we're going to start off with the Blue Milk Luke. It was exclusive to the LEGO Star Wars, the Skywalker Saga Deluxe Edition. So I haven't gotten that one, I didn't play the game yet. And then here we've got 3 other figures. Alright, so we got C-3PO still sealed from the 2022 Advent Calendar. I'll open that in a little bit. We have the 2021 Advent Calendar, the Mandalorian themed one with Christmas themed Baby Yoda, or Grogu. And we have, it looks like a generic Stormtrooper, some hair on it. But you take off the helmet, and on the back it's a 2002 LEGO logo Stormtrooper, or Snowtrooper. His head went flying there. So yeah, just a small haul, but I thought I'd show you guys just everything that I open, because that's what collecting's about, right? I've always been looking for one of these. I want the Stormtrooper one especially, but the Snowtroopers are pretty cool. I don't know if they use old gray. I'm pretty sure it looks like light bluish gray to me. And then of course, your Blue Milk Luke. I'm probably not going to open this one, but anyways, see you guys.